wondrous family and the lovely friends. It's me again, your friend Hrithvi Aryal. It's our fourth event, that is handwriting competition. It's our writing time. Today I'm going to write a paragraph about my pet parrot. I have also my pet parrot. His name is Manu. Oh Manu, you sit here. I gonna start my writing. Pet P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. I have a pet. I have a pet. My pet is a parrot. My pet is parrot. His name is Peter. His Peter. Peter is a talking parrot. Peter loves to sing. He sings his favorite song. He sings very well. He likes dancing too. Peter is so smart and talented. He is so cute and funny too. He is so cute and funny too. Now my writing is complete. I'm gonna read this paragraph. Pet parrot. I have a pet. My pet is a parrot. His name is Peter. Peter is a talking parrot. Peter loves to sing. He sings his favorite song. He sings very well. He likes dancing too. Peter is so smart and talented. He's so cute and funny too. Thank you.